Welcome to Art Making at Home with the Rollins Museum of Art. I'm Milana Nagy. For today's activity, we'll be creating geometric sculptures inspired by artist Doris Leeper.
For today's art activity, you'll need at least 4 sheets of colorful paper. I'll be using origami paper for this. But before we get started, let's learn a little bit more about our featured artist, Doris Leeper. Doris Leeper, also known as Doc Leeper, was an American artist born in Charlotte, North Carolina in 1929. Leeper founded the Atlantic Center for the Arts in 1977, an art education and artist community center in New Smyrna Beach, where people can go to learn about art and artists can go stay there for a period of time to create alongside other artists. Leeper's art is in the style of geometric abstraction. Geometric abstraction is art that focuses on only sharp geometric shapes and lines, rather than soft, natural ones. For example, we can see that this painting is made up of squares and triangles of different colors. Geometric abstraction is a form of abstract art, a larger category of art that we discussed at the beginning of this season with Jasper John's abstract print Untitled. Doris Leeper's artwork, titled Split Square Triangle No. 7, can be described as analogous. Analogous colors are colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. If you look at this artwork by Charlie Hewitt, you can see red and pink are next to each other. If you look at a color wheel, you can see that the colors red and pink are next to each other as well. So these are both examples of analogous colors. Now that we've learned more about Doris Leeper and her artwork, Split Square Triangle 7, let's take a moment to think like an artist. Look around your room or home. What color schemes do you see? What kind of color scheme will you create? Use the color wheel on the next slide to help pick out an analogous color for your sculpture. Here's an example of the geometric sculpture we'll be creating inspired by Doris Leeper. Start by choosing the colors for your analogous color scheme. Remember, analogous colors are colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. So the colors I'm picking are blues, greens, and purples. To form your sculpture, you'll first fold one side over to the other. Then take the bottom of the paper and fold it to the top. Unfold the paper, then fold the top to the line in the center. Repeat that step on the bottom. Then take your piece of paper and turn it right side up. You'll take the corner and line it up to the crease in the center. Press it down to fold it flat. Then unfold. Do the same thing on the other side. Unfold it again and you'll get an X going across your paper. Then turn it upside down and repeat the same steps on the other side. Next, you're going to fold it into a triangle shape. So you're going to push the inside fold that I'm creating right here into the slot of the other side. So you're kind of creating a little pocket and you're hiding the fold of the triangle in the pocket. It's going to create this triangle shape. Then turn your paper over and do the same thing on the other side, folding it together to create a pocket and pushing the folded part into the pocket. Now press down on the crease in the center. Now you'll have 2 pyramid-like shapes for your sculpture. Now that you have one piece done, grab another sheet of paper and recreate the same sculptural shape. Repeat this step to create more geometric sculptures until you've used all of your paper. As you create more pieces for your geometric sculpture, you can line them up together on the side. Think of this also as the color wheel that we saw earlier. You want to keep the colors that are similar to each other near each other. You can also make your own pattern design with this sculpture. Now that I have all of the pieces of my geometric sculpture done, I can put it together. You can form it into a circle, being inspired by the color wheel that we saw earlier, or you can take it apart and layer it with each other to create new shapes and designs. It's up to you what you want to do with your geometric sculpture. If you did this activity with a friend, family member, or partner, put it together to see how your color schemes compare to each other. You can even create one giant geometric sculpture with all of your pieces. Have fun with it!
Thanks for joining me today to create geometric sculptures inspired by artist Doris Leeper. Be sure to check out our other art making at home videos. Happy creating!
Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, or visit us online at rollins.edu/RMA to see all of our K-12 and educational programs.